So while we're here at parent conferences, I thought I would give you a couple of review videos about how to do the work we did in class today. This is March 29th, or it would be March 30th for those of you coming on B days. So the way you do these mole ratio problems, these are mole ratio problems. Once again, mole ratio problems. Move this over here a little bit. All right, mole ratio, which means we're just using the mole ratio. The first thing you do in a problem like this is look at the number up here that they give you. They say there's 0.4024 moles of water, so 0.4024 moles of water. Now we know from our previous experience that any unit that is here has to go on the bottom of this line here. So we'd have moles of water in this position. On the top you put moles of what you're looking for. So you go back and look at the question, which is right here. How many, look for a how many statement. How many moles of CO will react with this many moles of water? So what we're looking for is moles of CO. You can see right here, moles, oops, that was a little bit crazy on me here. It says how many moles of CO right there. Moles of CO. All right. So we put moles of CO on top. Now you look at the chemical equation, and the chemical equation I lost sight of here in my mess of chords. Here we go. All right, so there's our equation. And in the chemical equation, the number that is in front of the CO is, you see it right there, it's a 4. So I put a 4 right there. The number that's in front of the water is a 2. So you put a 2 right here. Then when you actually do the math, you're going to take the 0.4024, multiply that by 4, and divide the answer by 2. So my final answer is 0.8048. 0.8048. All right, then on this problem set, you can type in the answer, 0.8048, put in there, and then check your answer, and it shows you that that answer is correct. So the total correct went from 0 to 1, so that you will know if you got them correctly finished or not. All right, so again, just in review, we write down the number they give us. That's the number they gave us. That many moles of water. Let's go back over here and look. Right here, this many moles of water. Then you take this unit and put it down here so that it will cancel. Our goal is to get rid of moles of water and change to moles of CO. After you do put the moles of water down here, you look at the chemical equation, or look at the question to see what you're looking for first. How many moles of CO right here? And look at the chemical equation to see what the numbers are. So in front of the CO, there's a 4. In front of the water, there's a 2. It's kind of like a recipe where you know 2 of these reacting with 3 of those will make 4 of this and 2 of that and 4 of that. It just tells you how the numbers of things relate to each other. I'm going to do one more example, and we'll just click on new question, and then we'll call this video complete. I'll do this one a little bit faster. All right, so in this case we're given 0.8428 moles. 0.8428 moles of C4H10O. So you automatically know that moles of C4H10O go on the bottom. I haven't even looked back up to see what the problem looks like. I just know that goes there. On the top we put what we are looking for, and the question, the how many question, has to do with water in this question. So how many moles of water? So you would put moles of water on top. Now you look at the chemical equation and see what the numbers are in front of the water and in front of the C4H10O. So in front of the water you can see there is a 5. In front of the C4H10O there's nothing. So nothing is an implied 1. The moles of C4H10O have canceled out. Our final answer will be in moles of water. The final answer is 0.8 428 times, let me clear that out so it's not confusing. So 0.8428 multiplied by 5. 4.214. And that unit will be moles of water because this has canceled with that. Then you go back to your, come on in. I'm just making a review video. So our answer would be 4.214. And then we hit check our answer, and you can see that that one is correct. And that's where we'll conclude this video because I just had a student and her mom walk in.